Actor or actress, I have a question for you. Do you know the Buddy Holly story? You know anything about Buddy Holly? They are looking for chorus singers in Lincolnshire, Illinois, at the Marriott Theater. It's a dinner theater, and the pay is $862 minimum a week. Not too bad. The question is, are you prepared? Are you a singer? And how good of a singer are you? Have you been preparing for it? Have you been preparing your voice on a daily basis? Or have you read Thornton Wilder's American classic, Our Town? Because in Syracuse, New York, they are looking for non-equity actors. This is a fantastic story. What about Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf? That's an actual play. It's a 1963 Tony Award winner, and it's quality. In fact, they are auditioning non-equity in Doraville, Georgia. Have you read it? Are you prepared? Would you be prepared for such an audition? Sense and Sensibility, the Wimberley Players in Wimberley, Texas. Hence another audition. Are you familiar with the story? Are you prepared? Or how about the story, the true story, 𝐕𝐃𝐄? 𝐕𝐃𝐄, American Repertory Theater Company auditions in Cambridge, Massachusetts. $1,800 weekly minimum. Are you prepared to dance? Are you prepared to sing? What kind of chops do you have for this kind of audition? Are you prepared? Now, the reason why I'm telling you about these various auditions that are going on right now and for the new year is not because, hey, I want you to go to Texas, I want you to go to Georgia, wherever you're at, and I want you to audition. No, that's not the reason why I'm telling you. It goes deeper than that. Are you prepared? Are you prepared as an actor to take auditions? Because there are auditions passing you by constantly. They're out there. Opportunities are out there. Let's face it. All you have to do is look. However, what it comes right down to is your 30-day actor challenge. What it comes right down to, are you prepared? Because success is when preparation meets opportunity. So you just have to always prepare yourself. Are you preparing yourself, or are you allowing distractions to get in the way? To get in the way constantly, out of fear, out of emotional displacement. Are you afraid? Don't be afraid. Prepare. Don't be afraid. Prepare. Because if you're prepared for an audition, if you know yourself well enough and good enough, then you'll be prepared for that specific audition. Do I make myself clear? Success is when preparation meets opportunity. Are you prepared, baby?